Hi, welcome to Knit Well Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is the Knaus Boxdrive 680 ME. Now, this is 6.84 metres in length. Now, anybody who's in the know most van conversions, they only go up to around about 6.36. So it's a lot bigger than you're going to find with your actual major van conversions. But the beauty is it's no wider. So it's still around about 2.05 metres wide. So again, you can get down those little narrow windy roads that you might struggle with a coach build. So from that respect, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, it was registered in 2023 and it's done just under 200 miles. Now I'm going to pause for a second and let you take that in, and then I'm going to repeat it. It's done just under 200 miles. So to all intents and purposes, it's really is practically a brand new vehicle. So we'll have a look around the outside, then we'll go inside and we'll see what we can see. So as I said to you, it's on the MAN chassis. It's 180 brake horsepower. MAN, as I said, is the commercial arm of VW. So you're getting a VW drive. You've got these lovely alloy wheels, silver paint. We've got the flue for your heating just there, and you will see there's a micro switch on your window just there. Now that's because if you've got your heating on and the gases are going to come back up and they're going to go in through the window, we obviously don't want that, and neither do Knaus. So it means this window will need to be shut for your heating to work. So if your heating isn't working, check your window first of all, because there's a good chance that will be the reason. Cassette toilet, electric hookup point just here, reversing camera up there. And if you're wondering what this extra length really gives you, well, it gives you one hell of a bed, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, it is absolutely huge. And again, you've got loads and loads of storage. You've also got anchor points down here, storage areas in either side as well. So again, it's a great use of space. There we go. You can see gas bottle just fits in there. And you've got your awning brace just up there. As we carry on around, you can see we've got this large awning, water filler. Fly screen on the habitation door. Now, it's full leather on the interior. I mean, this thing really is luxurious, even down to the fact of we have a little switch. On my seat is just here, and on this one's just here, and that's for your posture. So you can get that right in the base of your back, which is absolutely lovely if you're on a long drive and you suffer. Then, of course, it's an automatic. We've got cruise control. We've got your steering wheel controls for your radio on there. It is DAB. It's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got your cup holders just up here as well. We've got screens on either side, electric mirrors, electric windows. Yeah, all the things you would expect it to do. Now, we do have this huge bed at the back, but we can also make up another bed just at the front here, because you have got Isofix on this seat as well. So again, it's great for if you're taking kids. Now, how this works is we just unhook the table from the wall and we take off the secondary leg. Then we have to lift these up, and then we just slot the table back in like so. Pop these back in. They are a bit stiff, but like I say, they're practically brand new. And then we have an extra cushion just here. It slides in there. Now, as you can see, then you've got this length here. It's, I mean, I'm what, 5'6". I can sleep on there. Great for smaller adults or children, not a problem. Let's pop this out the way. And then again, when we want to change it, we just slide it back off the wall, pop the leg back in, and then that just slots back in. Now, the advantage with this as well, of course, is we can slide this literally all the way along here wherever we want it to go. So it depends where you want the table is where you fit it to. Underneath the table, we've got more storage just on the floor just there. And of course, storage here We have an extender for the work surface just there. Now also, with that being said, we also have an extender on the table. So again, when you're dining, it means the driver can be part of things, but also with this up as well, it means you've got plenty of work surface while you're cooking. Lighting is excellent. So I don't know if you can see under there, Mia, really well. Got this lovely big light just here. Then we've got your reading lights just there. And of course you do have USB just in there as well, so you can charge up. Storage up here. More storage over your kitchen. And of course we've got 2 gas hobs and your sink just there. We've got 2 30 volts and 12 volts just here. Big drawers. As you can see, soft close. So you've got plenty of storage. Now the one thing I didn't actually show you at the front, so I'm going to get me to take a step back, is this seat. Now with this seat we can extend it if we want to. So there's a catch just in there. If we pull that forwards, then we can pop this piece in here. And again, it just gives you a bigger seat. So again, it makes it more comfortable. And then when we want to pop it back, we just literally slide it back into place. Here we have your fridge, and it's a good sized compressor fridge just there with a freezer box on top. More storage just above. Now, Knaus has been very clever with the bathroom arrangements as well. So you do have a wet room, you've got a big mirror here and on this side, and of course we have your shower just here, and that will slide back into there and it becomes obviously part of your sink. More storage here, and we've got a mushroom vent above, and we also have a window, so again it's great for getting rid of the condensation. Your toilet will swivel in all directions, but where they've been clever is you've got the false wall just here, so we can unclip that. That slides round, this piece comes round and locks out the way, and then as you can see, it's a good size. You can actually have a shower in here, which is a rarity for a van conversion, but it is, like I say, that little bit longer, so it does give you that opportunity. Now I'm going to get Mia just to go round the back, and I'm going to come round with her for a second just to open up these doors because it's easier from the rear. But one of the major reasons for buying this van is quite simple. It's this bed. Now, as I've said on many videos before, I'm not the tallest, but it's huge. I mean, you could fit 3 people on here. We've also got all your lights just up here. We've got more storage. You've got your reading lights, which again, you've got your USBs in. We've got speakers up there as well. Windows on either side, and we have a skylight. So there's a lot of natural light coming in. Yeah, I mean, what's more to say? If you want any extra, we've got a very long wardrobe there, but you can't see very well from where you are. It's a hell of a van, and if you've never driven the man before, it is absolutely lovely. It's got that VW drive to it. So there we have it, the Boxdrive 680 ME, 2023, done just under 200 miles. Thank you for watching.